If you're facing verification issues on your Google account due to multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Google account recovery page. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. Make sure to use the correct information to ensure you receive the right recovery options. Step 3. Follow the prompts. After entering your information, follow the on-screen prompts. Google may ask you to verify your identity through various methods, such as sending a code to your registered phone number or email. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up previously. Providing accurate answers can help verify your identity and expedite the recovery process. Step 5. Set a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be given the option to set a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Google account again. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.